From Hollywood's glitz to our beauty routines, beauty trends evolve. Today, we explore the Brazilian wax. This practice shifted from celebrity secret to everyday staple. But how did this transformation happen? Let's dive into the story behind the Brazilian wax. In the 1950s, Hollywood represented a world of glamour. Iconic stars like Marilyn Monroe showcased flawless beauty. Smooth skin was essential for their image. Hair removal was a part of their beauty routines. Though often unspoken, it set the stage for new trends. The Brazilian wax had not yet emerged, but the desire for elegance was growing. Fast forward to the late 1980s, when the term Brazilian wax came to life. A group of Brazilian sisters opened a New York salon. They shared a bold technique: total hair removal. This innovative approach attracted attention in fashion and film. Women sought this new look, and Brazilian soon became a beauty standard. A trend from a small salon sparked a global phenomenon. As time passed, the Brazilian wax embraced everyday acceptance. What was once a celebrity secret became common practice. Women now choose it for personal confidence and comfort. It became a part of many self-care rituals. Brazilian waxing is no longer about fitting into trends. It's about self-expression and respect. In recent years, the waxing industry has significantly evolved. From luxury studios to affordable neighborhood spas, options abound. Technology has made waxing quicker and more comfortable. There are now gentle waxers and eco-friendly choices. Influencers are normalizing the process with tutorials and reviews. Their openness is helping ease first-timers' fears. The industry now thrives on comfort and results. Looking ahead, personalization drives the future of waxing. Services are tailored to diverse body types and skin tones. Inclusivity is essential. Beauty is not one size fits all. Gender-neutral salons are emerging, welcoming everyone. Innovations like eye skin mapping enhance the experience. Some are even exploring options like laser hair removal. The future looks smooth, inclusive, and confidence-focused. From Hollywood glam to modern self-care, the Brazilian wax has transformed. If you enjoyed this journey through beauty history, please like this video. Subscribe for more stories revealing the depth of personal care. Comment below, what do you think about the Brazilian wax trend? Thanks for watching. Stay confident,